Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers on official channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see how to install wheel spacers on your Porsche Macan. Let's get it. Step 1. Loosen all the stock bolts that fasten the wheel to the hub. Step 2. Slide the jack under the vehicle to the appropriate lift point and raise the vehicle slowly to a height enough to lift a single wheel completely off the ground. Remember to place a jack stand under your vehicle. Step 3. Finish removing all the lug bolts on the raised wheel. Hold the wheels with your hands to prevent a sudden jump. Step 4. Spray brake cleaner on the wheel hub assembly and the rotor head and wipe it down with the emery coat. If the hub is dirty, rust or patent, use the emery coat to clean up the surface. Wipe down the entire hub surface by a tool, ensuring it is clean and smooth. Step 5. Install the wheel spacer in place. Step 6. Install a wheel hanger. Step 7. Remount the wheel. Secure the wheel with extending wheel bolts by hand, but do not torque the extending wheel bolts fully. Just put them in place and fasten them a bit. Repeat this step with the rest of the extending lug bolt. Step 8. Carefully lower the vehicle. Step 9. Torque the extending wheel bolts to speed. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.